Have you ever had a pimple appear on your face just before an important photo shoot? Or is it acne that prevents you from taking and sharing selfies? In this video, we'll show you how to remove acne from photos in 3 different ways. We're going to use Photo Diva, an AI-run portrait editor. Let's start with the first method that you can use to make the overall improvement. Once you've launched the software, open your photo. On the Retouch tab, pick the Auto Retouch tool. Here you can find various ready-made presets. We're going to use the Smooth Skin preset. If you want to tweak the result, move to the Custom Settings tab. Here, you can remove redness and glare, or adjust the skin tone by dragging sliders. When done, click Apply and check the result by clicking the Compare button. Let's see another method that will help you remove pimples from the photo. While on the Retouch tab, pick the Healing Brush tool, which is great if you want to get rid of small blemishes. Next, adjust the brush size and feather. Zoom in on your photo for a more thorough job. Mark the pimples, and the software will mask them, considering the surroundings. Then apply the changes. For bigger imperfections, use the Clone Stamp tool. Set its size and feather and brush over the pimple. The Clone Stamp tool will copy pixels from one area and apply them to another. Next, choose the donor area. Click Apply and then the Compare button to see the result. Once you have finished, save your photo. Now you know how to get rid of acne in photos so nothing will ruin your selfies. Download Photo Diva and enhance your portraits with ease.